Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My channel's name is Style My Way Usha and I'm Usha. I make videos related to lifestyle, fashion, styling, and I also do a lot of DIYs. So if you like all these things, please subscribe to my channel. And today I'm going to do a shopping haul video. I bought a few items from Mats which I have been buying like for some 3-4 months I guess, and I love this clothes and I'm sharing those with you because most of them are like sustainable clothing. Mats have come up with a sustainable line which I really like. That is why I've been collecting these items. So I wanted to share those with you because they are very affordable and sustainable and good for our environment and our earth. So after that I bought very few items, like I bought just 2 items from H&M. So I'm going to share those with you. Oh, without further ado, let's get into my video. So the first thing which I got from Mats is this top. It's a spaghetti top. This is how it looks. It has this zigzag pattern going on in the front, and it has this peplum kind of detailing here at the bottom, and then it has these buttons to open in the front. And this is pure cotton fabric, and I guess this is from the sustainable series or something. So this is how the back looks. It has this what do you call this, seersucker kind of thing, which has this elastic. This is elasticated, so it's perfect and it's very pretty and beautiful. I really love this top. So the next thing which I got from Mats is this skirt. It's a very beautiful peach colored skirt. It has this beautiful tropical print with this palm leaves and beautiful pretty pink and white colored flowers, as you can see. The print is very pretty and beautiful. It has a elastic at the back and then has a normal belt kind of thing in the front, and then there are wooden buttons going on like this, and it has like a A-line cut. So this is how it looks. It's a very pretty, comfortable and nice skirt, and this skirt is sustainable, and they have given this Mats Cares tag to the clothes which are sustainable like this, and then Liva Eco written on them. And then the price of this skirt is very reasonable. It's like 799 rupees, as you can see on the tag. It's very nice, very comfortable, very stylish, and yet it is so reasonable and sustainable. So the next thing which I got is this top. It is like this grayish blue color top. It has this black print and this maple leaves kind of foil print going on all over, as you can see, and it has buttons. These buttons open in the front. It's a crop top and it has a loose fit, like it's meant to be a loose fit top, I guess. So this is how it looks, and it has a puff sleeve, and then it has this kind of cuff. It's a very nice top, very comfortable, and as usual 100% cotton. So I really love this one too. So the next thing which I got from Mats are these pants. They are like it's a palazzo pants. So they have this polka dot design all over with grey and golden foil print going on. So this is how the pattern is, and then it has pockets in the sides and on the back too, and then It's elasticated, and then it has this button details, as you can see. It looks quite good. I wear this with the crop top which I had shown you before, the grey colored one, and it looks very nice. I will anyways do the try on in this video so you can see how it looks. So the next thing which I got from Mats is this. This is a pair of pants, and it has this kind of belt which they have given, and a buckle which is like this, like a resin kind of buckle. I really love this buckle. It's quite good, and it gives a nice stylish and trendy look to the pants. So this is how the pants look. They have pockets in the side. It's 100% cotton. It's very nice, very comfortable. Nowadays I go for very comfortable wear because I use these at home also, because I like to look good at home, because nowadays we don't go anywhere else, so it's better to dress up at home and feel good about yourself. So I do wear these at home. So the next thing which I got are these pants. These pants are very nice and very comfortable. The fitting of these pants is very nice. I really loved the way they fit. So they have these pockets in the front, as you can see. I love these pockets. They are very nice and very trendy. So the color is like a sage green or a military colored kind of pants. So this is how they look. I don't know the fabric and all, but it's very nice and very comfortable to wear. As you have seen, I have already worn this because of the wrinkles and all, you can guess. So I don't know the price of these things because I have bought them long back, as I have told you. So the next thing which I got from Mats is this top, which is a green color, light green colored top, and I love this color. It's not like I don't know, it's like a light olive green color kind of thing, and then it has the buttons, this cute buttons in the front made of the fabric. So this is how they look, and then it has this elasticated kind of pattern here, and then the sleeves are like full sleeves, and they have this elasticated bottom here. So this is how the top looks. It's kind of like a peplum top, as you can see. This is the only top which is not cotton or which is not sustainable. This is the only thing which I bought because I really loved this one, and I couldn't come out without buying this. So after that I bought a blazer, which is this light pink colored, you can say like a dusty pink colored blazer. It's a very beautiful blazer. The fitting is very nice. It has this pockets here, and it has this full sleeves, and the lining is so awesome. It's so trendy and stylish. I really love the lining too. So then it is like this, and it has a shoulder pad, but not very thick shoulder pads, like a little bit of foamy kind of thing which I have put on the shoulder pads. That's so nice, and it gives structure to this blazer. So it's comfortable as well. That is what I love about this one. So I bought this blazer because it goes very well with formal as well as casual wear. You can wear this with a formal pant and shirt, and you can also very well wear it with jeans and top, or with dress or skirts or anything else. That is what is very good about this one.
Qui se dessine, jamais ne s'efface. Rien ne durcit, les souvenirs se remplacent. Quand la vie nous rattrapera, on aura gagné cette histoire. Prends ma
I got from Mats is this kurta, which is a golden beige, golden colored kurta with this white thread work all over. Look at the neckline. It's so beautiful and pretty. The work is very, very nice. I fell in love with this kurta, so I bought it. And then it has this full sleeves with the same kind of floral embroidery. And the hem of it looks so beautiful. It has the thread work. The design is so beautiful. I fell in love with this pattern. It's so pretty and so beautiful. I really loved this kurta, and it's very, very comfortable too, but I couldn't find it in my size. This was large XL actually. This is XL, so I have to stitch it and make it into my size. So with that kurta, I bought these pants, which is the same golden beige colored pants. These are a normal pants which have elastic here, and the size is large. Actually this fits me perfectly. In Mats, I guess my size differs a lot. So next thing that I bought is this golden colored dupatta. It looks like this. It has this kota doria kind of design pattern, and then it has this golden zari kind of thing going on here. I hope you can see it. And then it has chikankari work like this. These are the booties, and then the hem of the dupatta is like this. The pattern is very, very beautiful, very pretty. The quality of the dupatta is quite good, and the price of this one is, okay, I don't have the tag, so I can't tell you the price of this one too, so I'm sorry for that. So the last thing which I got from Mats is this dress. It's a green colored, like military green colored dress. So this is how it looks. It has buttons in the front like this. These are the buttons. This is how the buttons look. It has this V-neck kind of pattern, and it goes sideways like this, and then it goes till the bottom, till the hem of the dress. And these buttons do open, so you can open them and wear the dress. So this is how the dress looks. It's a very nice, comfortable dress, and I think this was also from the sustainable series. So that is what is so good about this dress. It's very comfortable too. So I also bought the dress which I'm wearing from Mats. So this is how it has tie-ups here, and it has this beautiful floral print going on, the blue print, which is so nice. I really love this floral print which is going on. So it's not very cold here, so I can always carry these kind of dresses. But in the evenings, if it gets a little chilly, not very cold, very little chilly, then I always pair this up with a denim jacket or a cardigan, very light cardigan, or sometimes I can even wear it with a blazer, which is very, very nice. I really like this kind of dresses. They go very well for any occasion. So next I'm going to show you what I got from H&M. H&M, I got only 2 items, as I have told you, and they arrived just today, so I'm going to share those with you too. So this is how the shirt looks. The first one is a top. It's a white cotton top. So it has this kind of seersucker pattern in the front and on the back, and ruffles at the neckline. It's very pretty. It's a beautiful top and very well made. The sleeve has a puff sleeve like this. It's very nice and very comfortable, perfect for any kind of weather. And the price of this one was 19.99, but I bought it on some discount, and I think I paid 13.99 for this one. So the last thing which I got from H&M is this one. It's like this lavender colored shift dress. So very pretty and beautiful color. It's made of 100% cotton. The design pattern is very nice. I love this detailing which is going on in the front, like this ruffle kind of thing, and it has this beautiful short puff sleeves which look so pretty and cute. I really love this dress, but I feel that it's a little short on me, so maybe I'm going to pair it up with some leggings or jeggings. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like this haul. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye for now.